What makes you think you can beat me? Confidence. What makes you think you can beat Chris? We already beat him. You did not beat him. We have footage. I feel no pressure. I am the pressure. Come Friday, I'm bringing the pressure. You know what? I like the disrespect, but that is not going to stop me from beating this dude. I mean business. Strictly business. Some people in this world that don't look like they can run, and Chris is one of them. Taylor, that's speculation that you've been training for this race by playing video games. Great truth to that. That is 100% true.
I will annihilate him in a run.
I'm a cheetah in this race. What's faster than a cheetah, Taylor? Taylor.
You are looking live at Bob Bishop Stadium in beautiful Clyde, Ohio, where we have Chris versus Taylor, 50-yard dash. Josh Steppenhagen was first on the field this afternoon with the fan cam. Here's what he got.
All right, Billy. We're live here at Bob Bishop Memorial Stadium. Who do you got today in the race of the year? Taylor versus Chris.
No, it's gonna be close. They all seem pretty determined. Well, I got Taylor by 5 yards.
5 yards. You heard it. Got today.
I'm gonna go with Chris.
Good answer.
That's my guess anyway.
Good answer. Today, Stan.
I gotta take Taylor.
You got Taylor.
He's younger.
You flip flop back and forth all week, Stan, and your final answer is Taylor.
Taylor. I've been watching him. I've been checking him out. He's been picking it up pretty good.
It's pretty weird. You're checking him out and watching him, Stan.
She's now joining us live with Sarah Lustig, who's got some special words for this race. Take it away, Josh.
All right, Sarah. So we've been getting prepared for this all week long since the pre-race Saturday after TPM, and it appeared that Taylor knocked off Chris in a shocking result. Who do you think he's going to win today?
Oh, definitely Chris. Like, there's no way Home can win that with them cheeks of his.
Dump truck.
Dump truck, for sure.
Yep. All
Thick,
right.
with 3 C's.
Thanks, Sarah.
Thank you, Josh, Sarah. We'll be back to interview the contestants and get this race started after this.
By 5 yards. 5 yards. I think I will. Not beat me 5 yards. You think you will, not now you think. 4 was 5 yards, now you think.
I couldn't believe what he said. I've never heard a man so delusional before in my life. I could not believe he was saying those words.
Heard it first. Taylor said by 5 yards. Not gonna happen.
Our very own Josh is on the field right now with Taylor. Take it away.
All right, I'm here with contestant number 1, Taylor, here at beautiful Bob Bishop Stadium. Taylor, what are you thinking going into the race today?
Just win.
Just win.
Just win.
And who you wearing?
Who am I wearing? What do you mean, who am I wearing?
Looks like you're ready to rock here today.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts going into the big race?
My thoughts going in is just shutting him up. It's time. It's time to prove who's the fastest man. Called me old, slow. We're gonna find out today. Let's go.
We got Chris, the Cheetah Fontaine versus Taylor, Dump Truck, Druckenmiller, live, Bob Bishop Stadium.
Looks like our racers are getting set now. Grab your popcorn, relax, because the race that we've all been waiting for is about to begin.
We're off.
Chris got it! Let's go!
Chris wins. Chris wins. Let's watch that again. Just look at him. Accelerates past Taylor. Taylor didn't have a chance.
All right, we're here with the loser today's race, Taylor. Taylor, tell me what you saw out there besides the back of Chris's head.
I got a bad start.
Bad start, that we're blaming on?
Yes.
Do you think after today's race, in which you lost to your rival for potentially the second time, is this the last time you're going to run?
No, sir.
No, you're going to keep running up?
I'll be back.
You looking for a blood match? You looking for the trilogy?
Yep.
Trilogy. You heard it here. Trilogy. You've been waiting for it all week. Oh, he wouldn't even shake your hand. What a poor sport we got on the Taylor.
Shake his hand, buddy.
Couldn't even shake this man's hand after he dusted it. All right. So you've been waiting on this all week.
I have been.
How's it feel?
Feels great. Sometimes these young dudes just think these old guys ain't got it. We do.
Still got
We do. Let's go 30
Still
years.
got a little in the tank, huh?
Got some more in me if I want it.
What a race, lived up to the hype. I knew Taylor was going to be tough with that aerodynamic, but donk-a-donk, the preparation is key. I knew Chris had this.